Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is good. Today I have one Mitsubishi Lancer, and this car have a problem. AC light blinking, you can see here. When I turn on AC light blinking, and that's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you have to do first check all those fuse, relay, everything. Okay, so here is the fuse cover, and one is 30. This is for AC fan, and those fuses are perfect. And one is here, number 10. Check this one. See, this fuse is gone. Okay, so this fuse damaged, so I replace another fuse, and see, now I replace another fuse. You can see here fuse is perfect, but also same, compressor not working, see, or AC light blinking, see, same condition. I fix another fuse, that one also short, and then I got fault in compressor wire. You can see here, now I already removed compressor. Okay, and here you can see this wire, this main wire for compressor voltage, this touch like this. Oh, this is inside, no, cause compressor fixed. Now I remove compressor and I got fault this wiring. See, this wire damage, that's why. So now I perfectly fix with, and then fix, and I will show you. Okay, thank you. Now I fix it back, compressor, and everything fixed perfectly. And you can see here, compressor on, compressor pressure is perfect, and this light also perfect. There is no blinking and everything is okay. So great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.